You know when you're rewatching a movie and it seems so real, you can almost feel yourself inside it? Well, now imagine stepping into that movie and living out that story yourself. Sounds crazy, right? Welcome to the channel, and today we're diving deep into the unbelievable trend taking over America in 2025. And let me tell you, it's a trend that has many scratching their heads wondering where it's going to lead us in the future. So sit back, relax, and let's explore together what this new technology means for us. Now don't worry, it's not quite as sci-fi as it sounds. Think of it more like stepping into a different world than stepping into a completely virtual one. But what does that mean exactly? How does it work? And what's driving this crazy trend? These are the questions we're going to answer, and much more. And that's not the only thing that might surprise you. Immersive experiences aren't just about having fun either. They can also be used for education, healthcare, work, shopping, tourism, and more. And the possibilities seem endless, from being able to experience other cultures without traveling to practicing surgery in a simulated environment. There's a lot that this trend can offer. But with all this hype comes some serious questions. Are we at risk of losing touch with reality? How secure is our privacy with all this new technology? Can you escape to a virtual world to avoid your problems? Or will you have to face them eventually? These are important points we're going to discuss, because this trend is not without its drawbacks. But despite the challenges, it's clear that immersive technology is here to stay, and it's only growing in popularity. So let's dive deeper into what it is, why it's becoming so popular, and how we can prepare for this exciting future. Before we delve deeper, let's break down the terminology surrounding this trend. We've got three main terms to look out for. AR and MRV. R stands for virtual reality, and it refers to a totally digital environment. Imagine putting on goggles and entering a whole new world. That's what VR offers. You're immersed in a virtual environment that looks and feels real. On the other hand, AR stands for augmented reality, which means adding digital elements to your real environment. Think of Pokemon Go, where players could catch digital Pokemon in real parks and streets. Lastly, MR stands for mixed reality, which combines both VR and AR. It's like having a virtual pet that interacts with your real surroundings. So whether you're jumping into a virtual world or enhancing your real one with digital elements, these technologies are changing how we experience the world around us. And as they continue to develop, we can expect even more innovative applications that blur the lines between reality and virtuality. Now that we've got the lingo down, let's talk about what's driving this crazy trend. The big player here is none other than Apple. Their Vision Pro headset has been creating a buzz, and for a good reason. It's a big step forward for immersive tech, especially with its sleek design and impressive features. But it's not just about the tech, it's also about how people respond to it. Since its release, the Vision Pro has sparked a lot of interest, making people curious about what immersive tech has to offer. Some call it escapism, while others see it as the future of communication and entertainment. Whatever you call it, this trend shows that people are open to exploring new ways of experiencing the world around them. But the question remains, how far will this fascination go? And what does it mean for the future of immersive tech? Only time will tell. Now, it's no secret that the US loves its gadgets, and immersive tech is no exception. People are going wild over the latest VR and AR gadgets, spending billions of dollars on them. It's like a whole new world at your fingertips. From VR headsets to AR glasses, there's a gadget for everyone. And it's not just the tech enthusiasts who are buying these devices. More and more mainstream consumers are getting in on the action too. It's like having your own portal to another world wherever you go. But what are people using these gadgets for? Well, anything and everything. From gaming to shopping, working to socializing. There's no limit to what you can do with immersive tech. It's like having the entire universe in your pocket. But with all this excitement comes a serious question. What does this spending spree say about the future of immersive tech in the US? Is this just a fad, or is it here to stay? As experts predict explosive growth in this market, only time will tell what the future holds for immersive tech in the US. But one thing is for sure, it's already making waves and showing no signs of slowing down. Okay, now that we've got the basics covered, let's dive into the real-life uses of immersive experiences. In the US, it's not just about escaping to a fantasy world or playing the latest VR game, it's also about solving real-world problems and improving our lives in ways we never thought possible. Immersive tech is being used in education to take students on virtual field trips to places they might never get the chance to visit in real life. It's like having a classroom with a view. It's also being used in healthcare to help surgeons practice complex procedures in a simulated environment. With this tech, mistakes are not the worst thing. In shopping, immersive experiences allow customers to try on clothes or furniture in their own homes virtually. No more guesswork. And in concerts, musicians can perform in virtual worlds, giving fans a unique experience that blurs the lines between reality and fantasy. Even tourism is getting in on the action, allowing travelers to explore new destinations from the comfort of their own homes. The possibilities are truly endless, and it's exciting to see how immersive tech is being used to make our lives better in so many different ways. But with all these benefits come some serious questions. Are we at risk of losing touch with reality? How do we ensure that immersive tech is accessible to everyone? And what are the potential downsides of escaping to a virtual world? As we continue to explore this trend, it is important to keep these questions in mind and work towards building a future where immersive tech can benefit everyone while mitigating any potential risks. As we wrap up our conversation about this fascinating trend, it's important to address the big questions that surround it. What are the pros and cons of this technology, and what does the future hold for immersive experiences? While immersive tech offers incredible opportunities for education, healthcare, shopping, tourism, and more, it also comes with its fair share of challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the cost. Many of the devices and experiences are still quite expensive, which can limit access for those who can't afford it. Additionally, there are privacy risks involved in sharing personal data and experiences in a virtual world. But perhaps the most pressing concern is the potential for addiction. Escaping to a virtual world can be tempting, but we need to be aware of the risks of losing touch with reality. However, despite these challenges, the future of immersive tech is looking bright. As the technology becomes more affordable and accessible, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that blur the lines between reality and virtuality. The key is to embrace the possibilities, while being aware of the potential downsides and working towards a future where immersive tech can benefit everyone. In conclusion, the rise of immersive experiences is a trend that is taking America by storm, and it is set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. From education to healthcare, shopping to tourism, the possibilities are truly endless. But with great potential comes great challenges. As we continue to explore this trend, it is important to keep the downsides in mind and work towards a future where immersive tech is accessible, affordable, and safe for everyone. What do you think about this trend? Are you excited about the potential of immersive tech, or are you concerned about the downsides? Okay, I know what you're thinking. By now, you're probably thinking, this is cool, but do I really need it? And that's fair. But let me ask you something. When the first iPhone came out, did anyone think it would replace maps, cameras, credit cards, and even dating apps? Today, we can't imagine life without it. In immersive tech, it's shaping up to be the next iPhone moment, except bigger, because this isn't just a device. It's the gateway to entire worlds. But here's the kicker. Are we ready? Ready for a world where reality is optional? Where kids grow up knowing the Grand Canyon from VR, not road trips? Where your best friend's house might only exist in the metaverse? This isn't just tech. This is culture, this is identity, and it's coming fast. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch the future happen, be part of it. Will you embrace this immersive revolution, or are you holding out for a reality check? Drop a comment right now. Would you wear a headset for 5 hours a day if it meant a richer, more connected life? Or is this all one giant Black Mirror episode waiting to happen? And don't just stop there. Smash that subscribe button, because this channel isn't just about tech, it's about you owning your place in the future. We've got deep dives coming on AI gadgets, the metaverse, and how all this could transform America in the next 5 years. Remember, when the next iPhone moment happens, you'll want to say, yeah, I saw this coming. Alright, so let us break down why the Vision Pro headset is such a big deal, and what owning one could mean for you, your wallet, and your whole life. First things first, this is not your grandma's VR headset. I mean, sure, it's got that sweet 200-degree field of view and crazy high resolution that makes everything look lifelike. But the real magic is what you don't see. There's no clunky wires, no bulky backpack computers, no controllers that make your living room look like a sci-fi laser tag arena. This thing is sleek, lightweight, and completely wireless, with a battery built in. It's like Apple took all the best bits of the Magic Leap headset and mixed it with the Air Max for a package that's lighter than both of them put together. Plus, you don't have to worry about getting tangled up in wires or tripping over hidden cables. Freedom of movement, baby. Just move in any direction. Bend down, reach up, swing around, do the worm if you want. Oh yeah, and forget about blocking out external noise. With this, you've got eyes and ears everywhere thanks to its transparency mode. Want to chat with someone in the same room? No problem. Just lift an eyebrow and talk away. And when you're not chatting, you've got a killer view of whether you're strolling through the park or working in your home office, you won't miss a thing. Plus, Apple's signature spatial audio tech makes it feel like the virtual world is all around you. Okay, so picture this. You're chilling at home, but instead of Netflix and chill, it's metaverse and chill. You slip on the Vision Pro headset, and suddenly you're rehanging with friends in a virtual oasis thousands of miles away, thanks to the ultra-realistic avatars that mimic your every move. Your friends can high-five you virtually, and you can show off your sick dance moves without breaking a sweat. Plus, the haptic feedback on the headset and controllers make it feel like you're actually reaching out and touching things. And let's not forget about the eyesight feature. Need to check out a recipe while you're whipping up dinner? dinner. Boom, right there on your fridge. Or want to play a game with your partner who's on the other side of the room? No problem. It's like having your very own personal assistant, except way cooler. And for those times when you want to immerse yourself fully, just pop in some buds and disappear into another world. The best part? You don't have to be a tech wizard to figure this thing out. It's like second nature. The built-in eyesight feature shows you what's going on around you without you even having to turn your head, so you can chat with your bestie in the next room while conquering the virtual world. It's like having your very own personal assistant, except way cooler. And if you're still feeling a little tech awkward, don't sweat it. Apple's got your back with a feature called Personal Space. It lets your very own bubble where you can chill out and take a break from the virtual action.